What's up, guys? Today we're looking at a yoga mat that I got at the Dollar General store for $7. It's 5mm thick, and it was 24 inches wide by 68 inches long, which is just shy of 6 foot by 3 inches. I cut it down to 42 inches because I didn't need it that long, and the ones I was looking at on Amazon and guitar shops, they're made out of TPE, and they said they tear real easy. So along with this neck support I made, the guitar, it doesn't move now. I mean, it don't budge. So I got a nice place to work on the guitar, and figured I'd share it with you guys. So altogether for $10 you can get a yoga mat at the Dollar General store for $7, and then for a little under $3 make my neck support, and you got yourself a nice little guitar mat with a neck support that's gonna protect your guitar, and you're gonna be able to work on whatever you need to work on.